today's video we are going to be doing something really cool. We are going to be unboxing a Magical Girl surprise box, and I ordered this off of eBay maybe about a week or so ago, and it just came in the mail from the UK, and I'm really excited to see what the contents were. They said that there were about like 10 items in this box, and they could range from like Sailor Moon to Precure, and I'm really excited to see, you know, what exactly are the contents. So let's get started on opening it. Alright, here is our package, and now we're going to see what's inside this box. So let's give it a cut and let's open it up. Alright, here we go. Oh, well, didn't really need much cutting. Alright, well, tearing off the tape here. Doing extra stuff, tearing everything off, but that's not supposed to be. Alright, I'll put this trash away. Alright, here's the other side. Looks kind of, see some polka dots on the inside, so it looks to have some decorative paper covering everything. And there is some decorative paper. It looks like a decorative bag, maybe? Let's see now what we got here. First we'll check what's in the bag. I thought I saw something pretty neat in just a minute. Let's see. Check out what's inside this bag. Oh! Let's see. Let's take the bag out first. And let's see what's in it. Oh, this is cute. We have ourselves a little pin, looks like a little pin cup with Artemis's face on it. It's very cute. It's pink. I like it. I love the little face. It's so cute, the way that they made it look. Oh, that's our first item. So let's see what the next one is. So we got ourselves here, it looks like a little wand. I'm not exactly sure like what's it from, but it looks cute. I think I'll give it an open in just a second when I see what else is in here. On second thought, you know, I think I will open this up and see what's inside. I think I will open this up and see what's inside. So let's give it an open, shall we? Let's see what we got here. I want to use scissors or something like this. Okay, might have to though. Alright, we'll use the scissors. Probably gonna make it a lot easier. So I hope so anyway. Okay, here we go, Okay, got it. Alright, so now we'll open it all the way up. Inside here. Oh, let's see what these are. They look like little stickers. Little stickers? They're very cute. Lots of different kinds of wands here. They're all very, very cute. And a lot of them. Wow. Well, that's different and it's cute. I really like them. They're very, it's very cute. I know I said that a lot of times, but they're really, these are really cute little things here, little items. Maybe we can use them as a bookmark or something like that. Maybe we use them as a bookmark. Alright, so now we're gonna Put that back in the box. Alright, so we're gonna close this back up. And we're gonna look at our next item. Let's see what we have now in the bag. Let's see what's in the bag. What else is in here? I see something. Oh. Looks like we have some stickers here, some Sailor Moon stickers. It's pretty neat. They're very small, but they're pretty neat looking. Get a little close up here. Very cute. I like the look of them. They all have, let's see, it looks like they have the locket on there. Sailor Moon's locket. They have Sailor Moon and Mercury, Luna. A lot of accessories. Very, very cute. So now we're going to move on to our next item. Oh, how cool! It is a Healing Good. This is a Healing Good Precure element bottle. And this looks to be one of Cure Fontaine's element bottles. Let's get this out of the bag. Super neat. Let me get this out of here. And it's the real thing. It's the real thing. That's so cool. Take a look. Don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, it's one of Cure Fontaine's element bottles. One of the coolest things. Awesome. Love it. Love it. Alright, we're going to sit this over here. Whoa. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, this is neat too. Looks like we've got Cure Amour's Mirai Crystal. Well, Cure Amour's Mirai Crystals. That's pretty neat. And this is indeed the real thing also. That's awesome. Love it. Very cool. Alright, we'll sit this next to the element bottle. Next thing, next item. What else do we have? Oh, this is really cute. So it looks like we have something here that's Cardcaptor Sakura, and we also have a Sailor Mars card in there as well. Let's open it up. Okay, I think this might be a magnet. I think this might be a magnet. Yeah, Sailor Mars. Let's see, we have Usagi. Alright. We also have something Cardcaptor Sakura here. Looks like a little card. Looks like it was hand drawn by someone. It's Cardcaptor Sakura. And we also, it looks like we've got some they're postcards. Wow. We have some Cardcaptor Sakura postcards here. We got some stickers along with it. And we've got postcards, Cardcaptor Sakura postcards. Sakura. It's another Sakura postcard. There's another one. And we got Sakura, and we've got Ruby Moon and Yui. Oh, Sakura and Tomoyo, the awesome best friend duo. And looks like that's it for those. Wow, this is really neat. I really love these. Really love them. That's so cool. And I'll sit these down here. Alright, let's see what else is in this bag, if there's anything else. Yep, we do have something else. Oh! Neat. It's an Ojamajo Do Re Mi. Looks like a pair of socks. Ojamajo Do Re Mi socks. That's so neat. Alright, let me open this up. Oh, this is really worth the buy. Yep. A pair of socks. Some Ojamajo Do Re Mi socks. Very nice. Alright. So we're going to sit these right here. I'm going to take these away. Alright, what else do we have here? We have a couple more things in the box. We've got a Luna. We got a Luna pen. Got a cute little Luna pen right here. Ink pen. Yep. And we have a cap and the pen. It's cute though. I like it. All the stuff in this box is super cute. I love it all. Love it all. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the Artemis pencil case. Pencil cup thing. Alright. Last thing in the bag. We have a Sailor Moon keychain. Have a Sailor Moon keychain here. I really like that. It's quite cute. I like it a lot. I really like the design. Oh, it's double-sided. Double-sided. So, one side's Usagi, the other side's Usagi. I don't think I've ever seen that before. But pretty cool. Pretty neat. I like it. Cute. Love Sailor Moon. So, that's a great thing. Alright, so far we have a lot of really cool items that came in this bag. And there's still more to go. So let's keep going. Let's keep it going. So now we're going to see what's in this box here. And it looks like we've got ourselves a wand. Oh, it's a cute wand. It's a cute little wand. I'm not sure as to where it's from. But it's very cute. I wonder if it makes any noise. Let's see. Any batteries in it? I don't think there are any batteries. I'm gonna put some batteries in here, and then we'll try it out again in a bit. But I really like the look of the wand. I like the little star and the wings up here. Cute. Yeah, but I think everything is cute in here though. So. And one last thing, we've got it looks like a Cardcaptor Sakura comic. It says comic on it. So that's what I'm assuming that it is, a Cardcaptor Sakura comic. So let's open it up. Let's take a flip through. Oh, they're like coloring sheets. I see. So we've got some penciled in things. Got some penciled in sheets. Look like they're traced from something. Neat. So it looks as if we've got, you know, quite a few of these like coloring sheets here. Definitely would keep me busy on a bored day. That's some very neat little pictures here. Very cute little pictures. Really like it. Okay, so I just put batteries into this wand. So let's turn it on and let's see what it does. Oh, very shimmery. I like the sound. Very shimmery sound. Alright, let's press a button. Oh, it makes noise. It makes music. Oh, it says let it go. Let's put let it go. Oh, I was going to sing the rest of the song, but stop right there. Let's see. Makes silly noises. Does it make anything else? This is a silly little one. Makes more music. Oh, so as I shook it, it started shimmering. Oh, I thought. Oh, oh. That's quite cute, actually. Let's press this little button here. See what other kind of music it makes. Alright. Well, that's pretty cute. This is a cute wand. I like it. I'm going to put it up in my collection. So for about $60, you get some really neat stuff in that box. I really love that they included a element bottle and a Mirai crystal. I really like the wand too. The wand is cute. And the Ojamajo Do Re Mi socks. I will be wearing them out very soon. Oh, you get some really great things in that box. And, you know, I definitely would say it was $60 well spent. If you would like one of these boxes, I will put the link in the description as to where I got it from. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoy your night, and wherever you are, please have a magical day.